A very good morning to all the students of class 2nd. Dear student, today we will study the 16th chapter of social science, that is directions and maps, from the book Our Land, Our World. So, dear student, let's begin with the chapter. In the beginning of the chapter, you should know what are the learning objectives of the chapter, what you will learn in this chapter. So, dear student, you will learn about the directions and you will also learn about maps. So, let's discuss with the first learning objective is direction. Dear student, here I am sharing my screen with you, which will help you to understand chapter clearly. Very first, you should know what is the direction. So, dear student, here I am marking it. Direction is the relative position of an object with the other. What is direction? Direction is the relative position of an object with the other. तो डायरेक्शन क्या है बच्चों? एक वस्तु की दूसरी वस्तु के कंपैरिजन से स्थिति को क्या कहते हैं? दिशा कहते हैं. Secondly, you should know what we need to find our direction. So the answer is we need directions to find our way. Why we need directions? We need directions to find our way. The third question is what we use to show directions. So, dear student, the answer is we use our hands to show directions. What we use to show the direction? We use our hands to show direction. So, these three are very important questions. Number one, what is direction? The answer is direction is the relative position of an object with the other. The second question is what we need to find our way. So the answer is we need directions to find our way. What we use to show directions? We use our hands to show directions. Our left hand shows the left direction. So dear student, this is my left hand. So this is my left side. This is my right hand and this is my left side. The place we face is in front of us. So I am facing my laptop. So this laptop is in front of me. The place at our back is behind us. So what is in my back? This is wall. So the ball is behind me. If you turn about, these directions will change. तो बच्चों, अगर मैं मुड़ूंगी तो ऑब्वियसली मेरी डायरेक्शंस बदलेंगी. अगर मैं टर्न होती हूँ तो मेरा लेफ्ट ये हो जाएगा, मेरा राइट बॉल हो जाएगा. पहले मेरे पीछे बॉल थी, बिहाइंड में थी, अब वो राइट में हो गई. सो if you turn about, these direction will naturally change. There are 4 fixed directions. कितनी fixed directions हैं बच्चों? 4. East, west, north, south. कितनी fixed directions हैं? 4 fixed directions हैं. These are east, west, north, south. पूरब, पश्चिम, उत्तर और दक्षिण. The sun gives us the idea of direction. Let's see how sun gives us the idea of directions. The sun always rises in the east. सूरज कहाँ से उदय होता है? कहाँ से उगता है? ईस्ट से उगता है, पूरब से उगता है. अब as you can see in my picture, a boy is facing the sun and sun is rising. So in front of boy is east. This is the east direction. So I am marking it. This is the east direction. Behind a boy, this is west direction. Left, this is north direction. And right of the boy is south direction. So the sun always rises in the east. Stand facing the rising sun gives you clear idea of the position. Sun always set in the west. कहाँ पर सूरज छुपता है? वेस्ट में छुपता है. पश्चिम में सूरज छुपता है और पूर्व में वो आता है. So this is all about the directions. Let's discuss the second learning objective of the chapter, that is maps. We can show the direction on the map also. How? Let's see. This is the map of India. As you can see in my screen, this is the map of India. Let's discuss how map show the direction on the wall. In a hanging map, north is upward and south is downward. So this is upward, this is the north direction, and this is the south direction. East is to the right and west is to the left. So this is east as I am marking it, and this is west in the left of map. So this will help you to understand maps clearly. In clear nights, we know the direction by polar star. आपको रात में, साफ रात में कैसे डायरेक्शंस का पता चलता है? पोलर स्टार से, ध्रुव तारा से आपको क्लियर डायरेक्शंस का पता चलता है. द पोलर स्टार ऑलवेज शाइन्स इन द नॉर्थ. कहाँ पर शाइन करता है पोलर स्टार? नॉर्थ में शाइन करता है, उत्तर में शाइन करता है. सो अगेन दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. Where polar star shines in the night? So the answer is the polar star always shines in the north. उत्तर में वो चमकता है. Dear student, this is all about the directions. Let's have a quick revision of this chapter. Very first, you learn about directions. What is direction? Direction is the relative position of an object with the other. Secondly, you learn why you need directions. You need directions to find our way. Thirdly, you learn why what we use to show directions. So the answer is we use hands to show directions. After that, you learn your left directions, your right directions, your front directions, and behind direction. That is, this is my left, this is my right, this is my front, and this is my back. If you turn about, these direction will change, as I have already explained you. So there are 4 fixed directions. These are east, west, north, south. As I have already told you, the sun always rises in the east. Again, this is very important question. So you should know the sun always rises in the east. Stand facing the rising sun. So in front of you is east, as you can see in my screen. Behind you is a west. At your left is north and at your right is south. This is again, you should know, the sun always sets in the west. So now we have discussed about maps. You learn in a hanging map. North is the upward and south is downward position. East is the right and west is to the left of in the map. And in the clear night, we know the direction by the polar star. The polar star always shines in the north. So this is all about 16th chapter, directions and map. Thank you. We will discuss our next chapter in our next class. Thank you.